demonstrate mind control now, okay? I'd like you to look at your hand, and as it gets closer, your eyes are going to close. And you're going to get closer and closer and closer.
It's not you following along.
Anything that I write, you will not be able to read. You will lose your ability to read anything that I write. Well, it'll get worse. Okay, relax. Thank you so much, my dear. Anything that I write, he won't be able to read. So I've written down 3 words that I truly think represents this wonderful cause. So what I'd like to do is this first letter right here. Can you tell me what the first letter is?
P.
And that letter?
Z.
And the last word?
D.
Now, can you say the first word for me?
Prime Cluck Dude.
And the second word for me?
Zampoobie.
Can you repeat that second word for me?
Zampoobie.
And the last word, please.
Drug.
So all at once now, all 3 words.
Prime Clue. Cluck Dude. Zampoobie and drug.
Excellent job, excellent job.
What did you have it?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the words that I wrote down. Now, are these recognizable words to all of you?
Oh. Yeah.
Should
Wait,
somebody
how did
be
he
able to read these words?
How is Zampoobie? What do you mean?
Okay,
Yeah.
what I'd like you to do is now, I'm going to tap you on the head, and you're going to have all your ability to read again. And again, you signed this paper, correct?
Like, that really just happened. I did it with like full confidence.
Now I'd like you to read the Zampoobie, Brockton, whatever that was. Can you read what it says now?
I can. It says happiness, amazing, and love.
And this is your signature right here.
It is.
And this is on the same page as your signature.
It is.
Take that. Never forget.
Wow.
Thank you very much.